Hello, my name is Jeremy. I'm a Driving Academy admissions professional. I've been with the company for about 2 years.
My name is Stephen Langer. I'm the Human Resources Generalist, and I've been with Driving Academy going on 2 years.
My name is Edgar. I'm a lead instructor at Driving Academy. I've been working for this company a little bit more than 4 years.
Hi, my name is Jody Jarina. I'm the Director of Operations at Driving Academy.
I like coming to work every day at Driving Academy because I like helping students get on the road to their freedom with their CDL.
I like working for Driving Academy because we are a close-knit community. We're a family. We treat each other like a family.
So what I love about Driving Academy is that we help people change their lives.
I love coming to work every single day for Driving Academy just to teach our students to become professional truck drivers.
I like working for Driving Academy because I find the work that I do fulfilling and I enjoy the team that I work with.
Leadership at Driving Academy help us achieve our personal and professional goals.
And from a business perspective, we learn to grow as an individual and how to grow as an individual within the company.
Our leadership team is practiced and experienced. They always work with their team and always lead from the front.
The culture that we have here is phenomenal. Everyone works together and I absolutely love it here.
We work hard every single day together to get all of our students their CDL and get them the career that they're after.
You should join the Driving Academy team because we help all of our team members achieve their professional, personal, and financial goals.
I see everyone working hard and working as a team every single day.
I'm proud to be part of the Driving Academy team.
Hey, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and as you can see, we have an amazing team here and we're always looking for more, better people as we continue to grow our brand. We're going to be expanding to multiple locations, which means a whole lot of growth opportunity for anybody who joins our team. If you can actually fulfill your core values and match it with ours, which is going to be have integrity, be results oriented, and make sure that we can count on you because you have accountability, you might be a great fit here. I invite you to apply, be part of our amazing team, and help us grow to the next level. I know that there's a position here for you, and if you're looking to be a salesperson, a leader of any type of way, an instructor, or even an examiner, we're here to help you out get closer to your personal, professional, and financial goals as you help our company do the same thing. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.